So to apply the CurveCorrect, the first thing you need to do is prepare your nail. You want to clean it, get rid of any debris, follow the directions that are provided in the packet. The next thing you need to do is refer to the packet and figure out the placement of the brace on where it needs to go. There are two placements depending on your situation, so you need to read that and then place it accordingly. Next, you want to visualize where the brace is going to go and kind of make a note at how long it's going to be when you cut it. Step number 2 is to roughen the nail. This is going to help the adhesive. Now we're going to use the solvent, and I'm going to clean the nail, all the areas, and let it dry. Once it's dried, it's time to put the first side of the brace down. There are illustrations here to show you how much of the adhesive you need to use, as well as where on the brace you need to put the adhesive. Next, you want to put the brace on. We want to hold it for about 30 seconds. Once you've held it down for the 30 seconds, you want it to cure for about 2 minutes before we move on to the next step. Next, we need to figure out where we need to cut the brace. So you gently want to fold it over, and then using some scissors or nail clippers, you want to trim it. Now I've applied adhesive to the bottom portion of the brace. I want to gently push it over in the center, and then take the cotton swab end and you want to press it down onto the nail so everything's even. And now you want to hold that for a minute for it to set. After 1 to 2 minutes and your brace is on, you want to make sure there are no sharp edges to the brace that you can feel, and if so, you need to file them down. And then you can put shoes and socks back on, and it does say light swimming and showering are fine with these braces on. That's how you apply the CurveCorrect to your nails.